Ain't nobody's down but us.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and we are back with another freaking video. In this video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be doing some bubble braids slash puddle poofs, poodle puffs, whatever you guys want to call them. That's what we're going to be doing today. I couldn't really find any tutorials on how to make them small, so I'm just gonna click some stuff in my head and we're gonna get to work. All right, so I already did the back off camera. They different sizes. I definitely freehand this because I wanted to watch Law & Order while I did that. So this is how the back looking. It don't have to look perfect, but it looks okay. So this is how the back is looking. Not too bad for somebody who freehand. The nails really helped a lot in this whole process. So I wanted to do the back off camera so this video can go a little faster or whatever. But all you're really doing is parting your hair off however you would like to part it. That's what I'm going to be doing, and this part is going to be time-lapsed and broke down and chopped up. But since I did the back already, the front is going to be really fast, hopefully be easy. I'm using a little bit of braid gel. I'm not using a lot to like make my part super straight. Well, in the back I did it. I'm just using a little bit to coat it while it's in the rubber band. You don't have to put your hair in the rubber bands. You could just braid it all the way down, but I didn't feel like braiding, so I went ahead and did the rubber bands. You want to coat your rubber bands in some oil. So in the back, in case y'all want to know, y'all probably don't care, in the back, like I have 1, 2, 3, I have 5 rows in the back. My first row down here at the bottom has five braids. Second row has 7 braids. Third row has 7 braids. Fourth row has 4, and this top row right here has 3. So altogether that is, let's do some quick girl math real quick. 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 21 plus 5, that's 26. So in the back we have 26 braids in our head. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the front.
Doesn't make sense, no. She just got her things that getting into time. I hear you talking about we have that boys be fresh now. So I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like you wanna hang right now. On the east side, and you know I'm with the hang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. That's a asking a lot of you right now. She talking about it's
I finished putting all of my little sections in, right? Yeah. And this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's the Expression Twisted Springy Afro Twist in 1B, and this is 16 inches. 16 inches. It's gonna be short if I fold it in half, so I'm gonna try to like finesse it a little bit. Cause I want it short, but I don't want it that short. So I'm gonna try to like figure out how to do that. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that off camera, and then I come back to show y'all. These are the rubber bands I'm gonna be using. The pastels. I'm using those, and I'm using these. These are neon. And we're gonna work with both of these. There's no specific method to my madness. I'm just gonna put the colors in there. Alright, so we're gonna try to figure this out together. I'm gonna start right here with this one. I know I said I was gonna do it off camera, but I think we should do it together. So we're gonna take a piece of hair, and I think I should fluff it out some, because I'm only using one piece because I want them to be small, but like these are kind of thick. So that's why I think it would be alright if I did do it small. Let's see. So if I put it in half, like this. Alright, we're gonna try first by folding it in half. So I'm put my crochet hook in there. And then I'm gonna twist the center up a little bit so it can fit on the crochet hook. Then we're only going to bring one side through all the way. I'm going to go ahead and double it right now. So when I put it on there, I don't have to double it again. Fight the hair to go through it. So you want to make sure your hair is covered. So this gonna probably be the most annoying part, but I think it's gonna be a cute little hairstyle. Your last one, you're probably gonna have to tie a few times. And that's my first one. So how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 little bubbles. And I'm leaving this like this because I am gonna put, I don't know that tell, but those are clear beads. I'm gonna put clear beads on the end of it. And I don't have a feeder, so I'm gonna show y'all a little hack that I did when I don't have one. I've never had one, so I've been using this for so long. I'm gonna show you how to do it at the end of the video. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. All right, so I don't think I said this, but I have, it was 26 in the braid set. It was 26 parts in the back, and I have, it was 12 on each side. So that's 24. So altogether I have 26 plus 24, boop, boop. I have 50 parts in my head. But this is cute. Alright, so now that I showed y'all that, we're gonna time lapse this video and we're gonna get into it. It's the way you would act. Alright you guys, so I am finally done with the back. Y'all won't believe what time it is. It's 11:30. 11:30 p.m. I don't know what time I started, but I know I started around, I don't know. I can't even tell you, but it was daytime when I started. But yes, I'm loving it so far how it's coming out. I like the different color rubber bands. I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on what I did to make this a little bit easier or whatever. So when you're using the crochet hook, you want to go ahead and put the crochet hook vertically, not horizontally, because I feel like it's just a little easier to put your hair in between and sandwich it than like hot dog it, hamburger it instead of hot dog it. So that's what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna put my crochet hook like this vertically, and instead of putting the whole piece in on your crochet hook half and half, I go ahead and just put it in this way so that it's easier to bring it through. But because for some reason for me, it was really hard for me to pull this whole thing through because it kept getting tangled. I didn't know which piece to grab. So we're just gonna go ahead and crochet just this little piece and put it on the hook. I would not fluff it until I put it on the crochet hook, because the bigger it is, the harder it is to get on this latch right here. So I just go ahead and fluff it while it's inside the part. So you see you put it in that way, just your hair is already in the middle of it, so you don't really have to fight that much. It is, you are going to tussle with it a little bit. I'll poke out a little bit once you start putting the rubber bands on, but you can fix it just by stuffing it inside. Now, this, whatever finger that you use to put the rubber band on, mostly is going to hurt. So like my thumb is tender to the touch, but what they say, beauty is pain, so we're gonna keep going. Like I said earlier in the video, to make it easier on putting the rubber bands on, we're just gonna double it twice now, like this. And for me, I like to put the rubber band as close to the root as possible for my first bubble. So it can kind of look like it's like starting at the scalp a little. If the hair is already, you pulling it tight, there's no need for you to make a bubble, because once you let it go, because I guess the type of hair is gonna already bubble on its own. So like I'm pulling the hair tight right now. I'm pulling the hair tight already, and once you put your rubber band on it and let go, it already naturally like create that bubble effect without you even having to like fluff it out. Now you can do that if you want to, but child, I'm tired. So I just been putting the rubber band on and letting it do what it do. Cause like your hair is gonna pick out a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's my hair. And because my hair is like kind of blonde and brown at the tips, you're gonna notice it. But if your hair is the same color as your real hair, then it won't be a big problem. And actually, it's not a big problem for me right now either. I don't really care. But I'm trying to make sure it's tucked in because I want to get some longevity out of this hair. Like I want to wear it all the way to Thanksgiving break, which is November 23rd, I believe. And right now it's October 5th. So I'm trying to get it to last that long. So we gonna see. Alright, so for each section I try to have 8 or 9 rubber bands and or sections on the bubble braid. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on this one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On some of them I have 9 rubber bands or 9 sections. It just depends. But that's all I have, 8 or 9. I don't have no more than that. So far I'm liking the style. It's really cute. I have 27 braids down and 23 to go. My math be mathing. Y'all see me in the brain, okay? In the brain. So I hope you guys enjoy those little tips and tricks, and I hope that helps you guys in a major way, because I was struggling, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse the rest of this video and chop it up, because you know I'm the queen of chopping it up. And I'm gonna come back on here when it's time to do the beads. And also, you guys, how long y'all think it's gonna take? So right now it is 11:42. We're gonna see how long it takes me to finish the rest of my head.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark room perfume, gold
recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation.
Alright you guys, so I am finally done and it is 2:01. I did it. Right now, like I like it. I look like Maui from Moana a little bit. This is what I'm getting in my head, Maui. It's gonna be real better when I polish it up and put my beads on. But for right now, you guys, I am going to sleep. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay. Hi you guys, it is the next day. I had like some technical difficulties last night. Like I was feeling really bad. And I don't know if you could tell but by my voice, but I am sick. I have a cold or something was going on with me this morning. So I did manage to put some beads on last night. And I just wanted to show you guys the front part and how I put the beads on without a beader. That's the bobby pin method, and that's how I did all of these. So I'm just gonna show you guys that real quick. So we twist it, and then next you're gonna take you like a heavy duty bobby pin, not the thin ones, get the thick one like this, and you're gonna clip it to the end of your braid. So make sure you open it and put it inside, and make sure your hair, the hair that you put the beads on, is at this part of the bobby pin. So slide it down here and flip it up like that. Now you feed your beads on. Make sure you put them on both and not just one side. So make sure it's going in like that. Okay, so once your beads are on there, you're just gonna pull it up there like you would like a normal beater, and just pull it all the way up. Take the bobby pin off and you got your beads on here. Brilliant. And then you can seal it off like how you normally would with a regular rubber band. And then we cut off the excess hair. All the beads are officially put on. I don't want to show y'all everything because I want to style it and do my like everyday makeup or whatever, so I can show y'all the finished look. So we're about to do that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the final look and I love it. Like it came out exactly how I want it to be. I'm loving it. Like this looks so good. Do it not? Leave a comment down below how you feel I look with this hair and let me know if you would try it as well. Let me turn around and show you guys the back. It's just a chaotic hairstyle and I'm a chaotic person, and it's just, I love it. I want to keep my hair like this for a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed doing this hairstyle. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.